Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, airbags, front knee, DVD player, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, audio, rear,